Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the topic task automations. And by the end, you will have all the insights you need to. So grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's get started. So task automation. The Bitrix24 allow you to automate wide range of standard routine operations like creating a task, changing a responsible person, the task status, or a stage in a can, sending a notification or email to a particular employee, and much. You just need to go on the task and project tab and click on the automation rule. The task automation, here we can add the automation rules and trigger by clicking on the create option. There are many options. You can select the stage on which you have to apply. You can select the automation rule like add list item, add member to group chat, change stage, create task, delete item, send email. There are custom automations rule you can add. There are triggers mentioned. You can also add the triggers. As I will show you to add the send email. You just need to click on the add option, and here the execution part is available. You just need to select the wait or in parallel option. The time, here the time are mentioned, the current time, the 10 minutes after current time, the 10 minutes before start date, and after that there is the option condition. You can add the condition over here. You can add the sender, and you just need to select the person to whom you want to send the mail. You can select the person from here. After selecting the person, you can add the subject to the mail, and you can write the description over here. And if you want to attach the file, you can attach it from the Bitrix24 drive, or you can upload the file through your personal computer, and just you need to click on the save option, and it is now saved. So the task and project is more than anything. In addition to various task project management tool, Bitrix24 feature everything your team needs to collaborate and communicate efficiently. You can chat, video call, and conferencing, file storage, calendar, online documents, mobile app, work time tracking, CRM. And thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or question in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one.